Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can get a welcome to FC Mobile Pack. This is the special gift that you can claim in the new campaign of this game. So tap the news and you have to read this welcome to FC Mobile event and earn new player for your starter squad and dive into challenge mode and exchange. So your EA Sports FC mobile journey starts now. Let's tap the campaigns and this one special gift. So this is this is a very good campaign, very good gift. You can get like player like Ronaldo, Neymar in a late career. He's already in Arabian League, Al Nasser, Al Hilal, and many more. This is because this is a new season. And let's tap this one. So you are guaranteed reward. Get this, claim this, and this is the possible reward. Benzema is the top of OVR best rating here, 93. Ronaldo, Neymar, and many more. So this Koulibaly is 87 is the lowest, and maybe there are 70 OVR best. So let's claim, tap the claim, and who's I've got? Tap to open. I want a Benzema so. Oh no, I got shaft. This run, I don't know who is it. This run, and let's claim more. Unlock after reaching level 3. This one. Wow, this is Mbappe. Colomwani, this is a League Ang player. Let's claim it. And I got Magneti CDM. Okay, this is a bad start for me. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.